Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, this is Praty. Today we are going to see a very simple recipe for a lip scrub. Instead of buying those costly lip scrubs from the market, you can make it from your kitchen counter itself. All the ingredients we used for this scrub are edible and they are available right in your kitchen. So let's get started. For that, I'm taking little bit of butter. Little bit means 1/4 spoon, which is at room temperature. To that, I'm adding tiny bit, like 1/4 spoon of honey. Yeah, it's more than enough. Butter gives you moisturization and honey gives the moisturization and helps in reducing your tan lips. To this mixture, now let us add this is sugar, which I have powdered and make it like a powder. It's almost like 90% powder, not 100% like icing sugar. It's tiny bit of rough powder. So let us add this sugar to this mixture little by little. First I'll add 1 spoon and I'll try to mix it. When it is almost mixed very well, to this I'll add little more sugar and mix it. At this point, you can use your hand. I'm adding 1 more spoon of sugar and mixing it. Working on the consistency, it should be like a semi powder consistency, semi dry powder consistency. So it's almost like a paste, right? We have to keep on adding sugar, powdered sugar, until you get that proper powder consistency. I'm adding the remaining one. The consistency is enough here. You can stop it here. And store this in these kind of small containers for almost like 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and use it. We just use this, take little bit of scrub, tiny, this much of scrub is enough for your once use. Just use like 4 to 5 days, once in a 4 to 5 days. Take this much and scrub all over your lips and just wash it off, and then apply your lip balm. Especially the ingredients which we used here are butter, which gives you lots and lots of moisture to your lips, and sugar, which acts like a scrub, and honey, which gives you flavor to this scrub and acts like a moisturizer, and even helps in removing your tan of your lips. So all the 3 ingredients are very good to your skin. If you like this video, please hit on that like button and please do subscribe. This is Praty signing off.